Hello and welcome to a new video. Yesterday was raining and we were sent painting home, and I painted the new landscape. And usually when I've been painting outside I haven't done anything to the board, only primed it with gesso. But this time I coated the board with burnt sienna and then started sketching and then painting. So without further ado, let's get into the painting time-lapse. Hello, welcome to the voiceover. Like I said, I coated the board with thin layer of burnt sienna and then I let it dry for a couple of minutes before I started sketching in the basic shapes of the landscape I am about to paint. Then I started painting the sky and I used quite a thin mix of grey-blue colors and I painted it with upward brushstrokes to make it seem like it's raining. The water is lighter far away and a little bit darker where coming closer to the foreground, and the same logic goes with the trees to create a feeling of a distance. I actually started a bit too dark color with that tree line far away, but I am lightening it more when I'm doing the finishing touches. And then, when talking about the warmth of the colors, I'm using more cool tones far away of the landscape, and then coming forward I'm using more warmer and brighter colors. That also helps creating atmosphere and distance in the landscape, but also the weather in this painting is quite cold and dark because it's raining, but then adding a little bit of warmth creates contrast and I think it's more interesting. Overall, I am super happy with this painting. I like it a lot and I like the way it turned out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to leave a like and hit subscribe for more future content, and all my social links are down in the description below. Go check them out, especially my Instagram, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!